Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I'm going to show you the recipe of a double chocolate chip muffin. Yes, you heard it right. It's never enough chocolate for all of us. So I thought, let me make it a double chocolate chip. And I managed. So I've got a little batch over here which I've already made and put in my box. Let me show you what it looks like. I've broken one open. I want to show it to you up close and personal. It's got all the chocolate chips on top and see that inside. Oh, here's my taste test, and let's see if you'd like to make this recipe. This is going to be your go-to chocolate muffin for sure. So we're standing in my kitchen. So as always, let's get cooking. So let's begin with all the ingredients. We start with 1/3 of a cup of coconut flour. Next we have 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and as always a pinch of salt. I've used pink Himalayan salt. Next we have 1/3 of a cup of a sweetener. I've used xylitol. Now I've changed from the usual measuring spoons to a dessert spoon, if you can see in this part of the video. 4 heaping tablespoons, these dessert tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Give this all a good mix, and so that everything gets well assimilated. Now we will be breaking in 4 eggs into this. It's pretty easy, the recipe. You put it all in one bowl, give it a mix, and we are done. And now 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now give all this a really good mix before we are going to put in our coconut oil. At this point, while it's mixing, I'd love to tell you, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell. Okay, at this point, this is what the consistency looks like. But you'll see as we add the coconut oil, it'll become much thicker. So 1/3 of a cup of coconut oil, melted coconut oil. I've melted it in the microwave for a minute. Now these are pieces of chocolate that I've got lying. Some are sweetened with stevia, some of Lily's chocolate chips, some of the chocolate that I made. Feel free to use any, maybe a dark chocolate 90% cocoa chocolate bar, and break it into bits and add it. Now lastly, I've added 1/4 of a cup of plain water. This is just to get the consistency right, and this is what it looks like. So it's a thick batter but dropping consistency. I've oiled my muffin tray, and we are going to get about, I would say, 8 to 9 muffins out of this mixture. So I filled them all in, and I've managed to get 8 of them. Now, just as a sprinkling, I'm putting some Lily's chocolate chips on top. They always look nice in the look of the muffin, and they are stevia sweetened, so one can put them guilt-free. And so here they are out of the oven, baking at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade for 20 to 25 minutes. I hope you enjoy these muffins. Bye and take care. See you in my next video.